What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are headed to the Southern Truck Scene Shootout at the Emerald Coast Dragway. Me and Justin are getting the trucks ready right now. I'm pretty much done getting mine ready. I got the I went ahead and took the back seats out because I'm gonna need every second or millisecond I can get to try to compete with these people. Got the bottle. I haven't got the bottle filled up yet, but they're supposed to be able to fill it up when I get there. I also got the tailgate is off as well, so we're gonna hit the road, I guess, and I will catch up with y'all when we get there. Alright, so we just pulled up to the track. They're playing music, so I gotta make this quick. But Justin just got here, so he's getting ready. Got the black truck, white truck all ready. Suncoast's got a booth here, so we're gonna go check that out and see you in a minute.
That plane looks like a four-wheel drive Duramax. The first round called out. Right lane's also a four-wheel drive Duramax. Don't get those tires off. We know those things are spent. Again, he's got the turn on 4, brake stay slow, and it'll be an instant green.
Welcome back, everyone. It's dark. I know it's probably hard to see we're trying to do the final rounds. I got it eliminated because of my own fault. I didn't what do I call it, dude? I didn't stage fast enough because there's a timer in between, so I didn't stage fast enough. So Wade's still in it. I think there's like 3 or 4 trucks left. They're gonna do one more round. It's about 10 o'clock at night right now. We're just running for fun right now. So we'll keep you updated, see how everything goes. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Alright guys, so it's actually the next day after the shootout. I was fixing to go edit this video and noticed we didn't really have a ending for it, so I wanted to shoot a quick recap of the whole like meet or the Southern Truck Scene Shootout. We had a real good time. It was pretty fun. Good weather. It was nice and cool, so the trucks were running good. But me and Justin ended up getting knocked out in like the first 2 rounds. Justin took too long to stage in the first round, so he had the first amber light lit up, and then his opponent lit both the ambers up, and he waited too long to get the second amber lit up, and so it did the auto start and he lost by default or whatever. So that kind of sucked. And then I lost the second round. I was racing like an LML or an LMM Duramax. Not sure which one it was, but I had him beat like halfway down the track, and then I'm pretty sure that he was using nitrous afterwards, about halfway, because the front end picked up real hard halfway down the track and passed me. But it is what it is. I mean, we weren't supposed to be using nitrous if we had a turbo diesel, which was in the rules. It was a single power adder, but I can't really do much about it now. I still had fun though. I ended up putting a bottle on it and doing a couple of test and tune runs. Ended up getting it down to a 8048 in the 8th mile, which is pretty good for stock fuel and stock turbo. And Justin, 2 weekends ago, Justin got his truck in the 7s. He ran a 791, which is real good for a stock turbo and no spray. So he's pretty glad about that. I'm happy with the truck. Hopefully I'll be able to get a single kit coming here pretty soon, because I'm trying to get into the 7s real bad. I can't wait. But I'm trying to think if there's anything else I'm missing. And oh yeah, the Duramax that beat me with the spray, supposedly he wasn't spraying, but nobody believes him. But I guess he ended up getting his case of karma, because on his last run it ended up backfiring or something. There's probably like a 4-foot flame come out of the exhaust and smoking and popping, and so his motor's probably toast. But I'll throw that little clip in. One of our buddies got a good clip of it backfiring, so I'll throw that in at the end. And I just want to say thanks for watching. Hopefully we can get a couple more videos posted up, get more videos coming regular on the channel. And I guess if you enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe if you want to, and we'll see you in the next one.
Fight the bugs. We're fighting the bugs because we live in Florida. Mosquitoes will carry your arm off. Wait, what are we doing?
We're gonna take this air filter off to get all them horsepower coming out of this thing.
Crazy horsepower.